Good morning, cadets. Hope all of you doing well. So, in this video, I'm going to share the last topic of the periodic test 2, that is table tags. So, in the previous MS Teams, we discussed the links, hyperlinks, how to insert the hyperlink. So, yesterday's class, I hope all of you understood that how to insert the hyperlink in the. We can apply the hyperlink for the text. We can apply the hyperlink for the image, and also and in that activity we shown, and we can apply the hyperlink for the outside the external linking or also internal linking. Internal linking is nothing but the you can get the file from your computer, and external linking is connecting the web page or the content to the URL to the in the web. And also the we also seen how to give the hyperlink for the image. So that's the activity which we done in the previous class in MS Teams. On continuation to that one, today we are going to discuss this HTML table tag. So how to create the table in the web page, that's the topic today. So till now we discussed the how to insert the image and how to apply the hyperlink and how to apply the different text formats, that is bold, italic, underline, जो भी देखा. And also we seen how to create the list, ordered list and unordered list we seen. And after we seen that the font tag and how to apply the font tag, how to apply the different font the per text. And also we seen the headings, H1 से लेकर H6 तक different headings we seen. And we are going with a new topic called tables. How to insert the table inside the web page. What are the tags which you are going to use inside the tables? See, HTML table model allows you to arrange the data in the form of text, pre-formatted text, images, links, forms, form fields, and other tables, etc., into the rows and columns of the cells. So when you want to make data arranged in the form of the rows and columns without their borders, then we got the concept called the table tags. The table cells can either contain the header information, that is, we'll get to know what is header information, or the data. To understand table rows and columns, we see this figure. They are telling that what are the table the tags we are going to get. So this is the table heading. It is not having any borders or any ways. It is not mentioned that rows and columns, but it is looks like the table structure. I think you are able to get to know. So कहीं पे भी आप लोग का हमने टेबल का rows and columns में नहीं है, but it is in the form of the row or structure is in the form of table tag. So this is called as a table caption, and these are the three rows are there total, and total three rows are there, and the data inside is they are showing. Okay, the first row में data, second row में data, third row में data, that all things you show. Okay, so data inside this third row is Varun, Sunila, Rocky, and data for the second row is Kush, Ragini, Shalu, and data for the first row is Monica, Caroline, and Gauri. So this is the rows you are getting. माने row wise हम लोग का data entry होता है, and also the data which we call as a TD. So we use the tag called for the row, and we use the tag called for the data. So tag called for row is called as TR, which stands for table row, and tag called for to insert the data, that is called as a table data. And to insert the caption, we got the caption tag. So table. So in order to get the structure of the table, we insert the tag called table, which wraps up the table into elements in the HTML document body. माने table लिखने से ही वो जो body का अंदर में अगर table लिख किया, so then it forms the structure in the form of table. So then उसका अंदर में row, so which defines the table row. So TR stands for table row, and TH is the table heading, and TD is the table data. So table में first row, first field जो है, first column, that is in the form of headings. So that's why we use the tag called th, that is called for the headers, and data inside for all the other cells is td, and for the row insertion we call the tag called table row. Okay, and if you want to give the caption, we got the tag called caption tag, which defines the title or caption for the table. These are the simple table commands which we are going to deal with this in this chapter. So we are only mainly having the four we are going to deal with the mainly four different table tags, that is table, th एक है, td एक है, और डेटा इंसर्ट करने के लिए th और td, to insert the rows we are having the tag called tr. Okay, keep remember these four tags mainly. The table, one is table for insertion of the table, and for insertion of the row we got the tag called as a tr stands for table row, and for insertion of the heading and for insertion of the data inside that particular row we are having the tag called th, and also we are having the tag called td, which stands for table header, and td stands for table data inside that particular row. Okay, now caption tag, which defines the title or caption for the table, okay, which is shown here. Okay, next, what are different simple table commands they are showing, see in the figure. So they written the HTML body, they inserted the table, they given the caption called the patience, and simply so ये जो structure देखे, जो पेशेंस करके कैप्शन दिया है, देन आफ्टर अप टू हियर आई थिंक कैप्शन दिया था द पेशेंस, देन दे इंसर्टेड द रो, यस फर्स्ट रो, तो फर्स्ट रो देखिए, फर्स्ट रो में मोनिका कैरोलिन गौरियस, सो फर्स्ट रो दे स्टार्टेड, द फर्स्ट रो इंसर्टेड, दे इंसर्टेड द टेबल रो इंसर्ट किया, उसका अंदर में दे आर हैविंग द थ्री डेटा, दैट इज मोनिका कैरोलिन, फर्स्ट रो का अंदर में थ्री सेल्स है, सो दैट इज मोनिका कैरोलिन गौरिका जो इंसर्ट किया, देन फर्स्ट रो को क्लोज कर दिया था, अगेन दी ओपन द सेकंड रो, दैट इज सेकंड रो में कुश रागिनी शालू करके है, अगेन सेकंड रो दे ओपन एंड सेकंड रो का अंदर में डेटा इंसर्ट किया था, so to insert the row we need the tag called tr to insert the data inside this particular data, that is we use the tag called td, okay then after then this is the second row का cells हो गया, then third row का देखिए third row insert किया, थर्ड रो का डेटा इंसर्ट करने के लिए थर्ड रो का सेल्स ये है, then they closed the table, they closed the body, they closed the HTML. So with this you get to identify that what is going to happen with the table. So ये जो है टेबल स्ट्रक्चर तो हुआ है, बट लेकिन कुछ बॉर्डर्स नहीं दिया, तो कौन सा बॉर्डर थिकनेस कितना होना चाहिए, टेबल हेडिंग क्या है वो सब नहीं दिया, उसके लिए और क्या चाहिए देखिए, what table commands to do is create a series of cells, each cells data denoted by the td command, माने each cells data is denoted by, जो भी डेटा you are inserting inside this table is called denoted by the tag called td. Use the td command to make the three cells across the tr to jump up to the next row, and so that until you have the 9 cells in the 3 row, nothing to it. Remember whatever follows the td will appear in the cells, td का opening और closing अंदर में जो लिख रहे हैं वही आएगा आपको, ठीक है. The cells by column will be equal in size, so the largest cell as the model for the discuss. Now let us discuss the tags one by one. Table tag. Table tag begins with the processing of building of the table. Table tags तो टेबल का शुरुआत में आप लोग का टेबल क्रिएट करने के लिए टेबल टैग करना है. टेबल का अंदर में we are having the good attribute called as a border attribute. What is this border attribute? See, a table's border is specified through the border attribute of the table tag, which gives the border thickness, that is larger the border should be. You can try the different numbers. I think you look at this border 3 or border 0 gets rid of the borders altogether. So here border 3 दिया था, so border 3 देने से आपका thickness जो है देखिए, border 3 का thickness देने से आपका structure देखिए border 3 कैसा है. Then see, they inserted the two rows which contain the cells data, that is cell data करके two rows and two columns दिया था. Again second row में again td cell data, close the table, close the HTML. See, okay, ये tr मतलब फर्स्ट रो, उसका अंदर में जो सेल है ये tr का ओपनिंग tr का क्लोजिंग, ये तो फर्स्ट रो होगी, उसका अंदर में जो डेटा है ये दोनों डेटा है, माने ये दोनों सेल्स का डेटा है. देन अगेन दे फर्स्ट सेकंड रो क्लोज, सेकंड रो शुरू है, सेकंड रो का अंदर में td ओके दो सेल्स का है, अगेन दो सेल्स का डेटा इंसर्ट किया, क्लोज्ड द tr एंड क्लोज्ड द टेबल, क्लोज द html. ओके, so this is about this table tag. And td tag, so td tag denotes the table data, which I already told. You have seen the way of td being used in the example solution. And उसका जो attributes है align attribute, so align का माने जो table data का सेल का अंदर में so कैसे रहना है, सेंटर में रहना, राइट में रहना, that all things are possible with the help of the attribute called align. So align left, right, center, so default alignment तो left ही है. Okay, so if you want to make that table data cell का data अगर बीच में आना है, then you have to make this align as a center. Okay, and also if you want to make to right side में आना है तो td align right. Okay, that all things you can manage it easily. Okay, this is about this data of table data tag. Table tag में तो border attribute है, table data में we are having the align attribute. Okay, clear example I think you are able to get. Then the next tag is th and tr, which I discussed, that is th is for the table header. So if you want to make the first row as a heading part, then you get to use the tag called th, and tr for the tr stands for table row, so it's th stands for table header. This contents are declared as a header part and displayed in the distinctive style. The bold face will be the same attributes of this, मतलब td जैसा है, but लेकिन क्या है, so starting of the cell में you will get the td command. Okay, it is like the td command only, but in the starting of the header part you will get in the bold format only. So it is like simply like you are inserting the data inside the first row only, but you are getting the data in the form of heading part, that is in the bold format. Okay, you see here this example they are showing. See, so HTML body, a table border, okay, table border they given, so they not mentioned anything, so border default is 0, and they inserted the first row they inserted, then used the th tag head 1, then again closed the th, then again opened the th, head 2, so closed the th. So total first row में Total first row we are having the three cells. Total we are having the first three cells of data we are having. So three cells में head 1, head 2, head 3, heading 1, heading 2, head 3. Then they closed the tr tag and again opened the second row. So second row के अंदर में जो data they used the td only, normal td, because it is not in the normal font only. So why they are using the th is for that first column if you want to make as a header part or heading part, then they use the concept called th tag. So th हो गया, thereafter close the th, then close it the first row, then open the second row का data अंदर insert करो, second row close, again third row they opened, they inserted the cells for the third row, then closed the third row, then closed the table, then closed the body, closed the HTML. This is the output you will get. That is first row you will get in the form of bold format, and second and third row you will get in the normal text format, basic text. Okay, next tr tag. So tr tag, I think you understood that tr stands for table row. So every table में तो row तो जरूरत है, row starts with tr tag and end with the tr tag. So this is the what the tr tag, tr first, this is the third row, this is the second row, the first row. Okay, every table should start with the tr tag and it should have the tr closing and marks at the end of the table row. So in each and every example you shown the tr opening and tr closing have been used, hence we are not giving the separate example for the tr here. Okay, tr के लिए हम लोग अलग से एग्जांपल नहीं दे रहे, बट th के लिए अलग से एग्जांपल दिया था. th क्योंकि टेबल हेडर है which is used for the heading purpose, which is used for the heading purpose for the first columns which are used in the table. Okay, then that's about the th part. Tr part is for inserting the row, so which we are using for every table, and we are having one attribute called align attribute in the td, where how to insert the data inside this particular cells. Okay, that we are having align attribute center and the right part. Then also we are having one more attribute called border, which make ensure that the thickness of the border of the particular table tag. Now let's execute one program so that we'll get to understand. So I opened the notepad already. So let me write the first activity. HTML, small letters, HTML head, title, 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 my table activity. Those are having the laptops and desktops. Please try along with me. Okay, title, close the title, close the head part. Now open the body. Okay, body part, then table open. If you want to make the caption, let's make the caption part. What's the caption tag? Caption, the tag is caption simply. Okay, table, I'm making the border of 2. Okay, 2 I'm making the caption, which I'm giving the title for my 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 details, my class 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 7 details. Okay, 7 details, caption close, and closing the caption. Now I open the ER. I open for the first row. So under me I am using the table heading for the first column. So serial number, I am using the serial number. Closing the table heading part, and again I am using the th name. Close the th heading part हो रहा है first row का cells I am making entering. Okay, and again th open serial number name. Let me take serial number, roll number I'm taking, roll number I'm taking, roll number and name. Huh. th open, th close, th open, th close, th open again, and this is for name. Huh? Yes, name close th here closed, close the TR. मैं फर्स्ट रो का एंट्री हो गया. ओके, नाउ एंट्री द सेकंड रो का एंट्री का अंदर में TD करके यूज कर रहा हूँ. TD स्टैंड फॉर टेबल डेटा. सीरियल नंबर एंट्री करना है. वन एंट्री किया, TD क्लोज किया. आप लोग अगेन TD ओपन. मैंने सेकंड कॉलम एंट्री कर रहा हूँ. some 4 5 1 2 5 like something I entered. 5125 रोल नंबर एंट्री किया, TD क्लोज किया था. डेटा को मैंने डेटा फॉर द सेकंड रो मेंशन. ओके, TD एंड TH आर बोथ आर सेम. TH में हेडिंग में हम लोग का बोल्ड फॉर्मेट में आएगा. TD ओपन, नेम सम कुमार गौरव. ओके, क्लोज द TD, क्लोज TR. Okay. Same thing we copied. Just we copy like this only, and just simply we'll paste. So that for the second row, this time entering second, 2 some 5125 uh, राजवीर ऐसा करके एंट्री किया. So second row एंट्री हो गया. Then close the table, row तो close हो गया. Close the table, close the body, close the HTML. Okay. Three rows I entered. The first row is I used the heading part which contains the 3 cells. In the second row I inserted the cells of 1 5 1 2 4 and Kumar Gaurav, and the third row I inserted the data 2 5 1 2 5 and Razveer. Okay, these are the data I inserted. Let me save. Just I am saving. Let me save. You can save it anywhere. I am using the table.html as an activity name. Just save it and you minimize it, and table. So table will be displayed. So here open with Google Chrome anyway. Open the Google Chrome. See our output. Yes, I think you've seen. Yes, I got the table. I zoomed it. So class 7 details is a caption. The serial number, roll number, name I got as a heading part, and first row that is 1 5 1 2 4 and Kumar Gaurav, and second was with Gaurav. You can give the background colors to the table also. Background color, and you can insert the image. That all things are possible in the case of table. So this is about to the activities which we are having. So in this table tags we discussed mainly the four tags, that is table, TD, TR, TH. So table tag is entered for the structure of the table, and TH is for the table heading, TR for insertion of the row, and TD for inserting the data inside the cells. Clear all of you? So hope all of you understood these concepts of table tags. Up to here we are having the periodic test 2. So go through this all the videos and all the activities. So please do practice. Okay, please go through the textbook before giving the exam. So textbook mein padho. Okay, I already share this content in the Google Classroom. Google Classroom regularly follow kar dijiye. So it is very simple to crash the exam. Okay, so don't worry. Thank you boys. Stay safe, stay home, be prepared. Those are having the desktops and laptop, they must should try this particular activity. So see this code again. HTML my table activity head close table border का two thickness देखिए, and caption देखिए. class 7 details में caption दिया हूँ. class 7 details आया. then TR for the first row का देखिए. first row का so first row में क्या क्या serial number, roll number, name. Okay, TR close किया. serial number, roll number, name. Next again second row में what is the data inserted, we inserted that is 1 5 1 2 4 and Kumar Gaurav. Okay, 1 5 1 2 4 and Kumar Gaurav done. Then after close the second row, and third row open. third row में क्या data enter किया था, 2 5 1 2 5 and Razveer. So third row में 2 5 1 2 5 and Razveer. So three data we inserted and closed the table tag and closed the body, closed the HTML. This is about this table activity for the periodic test 2. You try at your home, definitely, sure. Okay, this is a very simple activity. इसमें बहुत सारा tags है, so it is not required, it is not in your class 7 textbook, but इसमें बहुत सारा टेबल अगर जान गया ना बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं. Okay, टेबल this structure table tags में बहुत कुछ inbuilt features है. Okay, which is not given in the class 7 textbook. If you go for higher classes you will get it. Okay, so till now in this table you get this idea about this particular tag. Okay, table tag. So this is also there in the part of the periodic test 2. So don't worry. Okay, periodic test 2 का तो आप लोग prepare कीजिए from the textbook only. Okay, up to from the table tags. Okay, from spreadsheets का introduction part भी है and also the table tags also. Okay, this is about this up to table tags. So table tags है, heading tags है, for text formatting tags है, font tags है, and also we are having the list tags, and also we discussed the image tags, and also we discussed the link tags, and also we discussed the table tags. Up to table tags तक है for the periodic test. Thank you, bye. Stay safe, stay home, be prepared.